Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bend your text on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in new.express.adobe.com and press enter, or you can also use the application if you have it installed on your device. Once you are taken into your homepage, you can choose from various different design elements that you can work with. Now, if you are working on any design within which you wish to bend the text, then first of all, click on this text, which will select the text box. And now within the left side, you will see various different options. Click on text layouts, and now you can use the various different arches and bows option. You can also use circle if you wish to do so. After choosing your desired setting for your text bend, you can adjust the size as well as the orientation. You can also rotate using the rotate wheel. And after you have made your desired edits, it will be applied right away. And there you have it. That is how you can bend your text on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.